Hey guys, welcome back again. This is Mon, again your trusted real estate broker. For today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Santa Rosa City, Laguna, no? Sa Santa Rosa Estates 2. Kasi papakita ko sa inyo ang isang house and lot unit for sale na 3-bedroom unit here in Santa Rosa Estates 2. Okay? Samahan niyo po ako. Okay, this is the house here in Santa Rosa Estates 2. It's a corner lot unit. Ayun po. Okay, pasok tayo. So, pag pasok mo, ito yung entrance niya. So, medyo hindi na lang na-maintain to ng maayos. Kasi wala na din nakatira. Yan. So, ito yung parking. Kasya dito is 2 cars. Yan. 2 parking lots. And then, sa parking niya, meron dito extra lot pa. Yan. By the way, ang lot area pala nito is 246 square meters po. Yan. So, tour ko muna kayo sa buong bahay. Ito. So, ayan. So, ito yung palibot niya. Ayan, makikita niyo. Ayan yung structure. Ayan yung bahay. It's a corner lot unit po. This is a corner lot unit. Okay. And then, pasok tayo sa loob. So, yun yung neighborhood dito. Kita nyo. Okay, ito yung entrance, yung main door niya. Yeah, this is the main door. And then, pagpasok nyo, yun yung dining area. Ito yung dining. And then, dito naman, ito yung living area. Yung part na to. Yung living area. Okay. And then, kitchen. Ito pala, merong maid's room or ginawang stock room na lang to ni owner. So, ayan. Maid's room yan pwede. Tapos, merong powder room. And then, kitchen. Ito yung kitchen. Okay. Ayan. And then, sa labas naman ng kitchen, yan makikita nyo, yan yung laundry area. Yan. Laundry. And then, you have spaces, ano pa, extra lot dito. Ayan, open space pa to. So, pwede kang mag-garden, magtanim kung ano man ang gusto mong itanim. Ayan siya. Ayan. Okay. And then, akyat tayo sa second floor. Ayan. So, ito, second floor. Ayan. So, dito 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So, yan ang isang room. Ito. And then bedroom 2. Ayan, may balikbayan box lang kasi si owner galing Dubai. Ayan. And then ito yung common toilet and bath sa taas. Okay? And then the master bedroom. Ito yung master bedroom. And then you have your own walk-in closet, yung maliit na walk-in closet, and then itong banyo, toilet and bath sa loob ng master bedroom. Okay? And then the balcony, ito yung balcony. Ayan. Yung balcony. So, yun yung makikita yung neighborhood dito sa Santa Rosa Estates 2 here in Santa Rosa City, Laguna. Okay. Alright, if you're interested with this house and lot unit, please call me at my mobile number po. You can reach me through Viber, SMS, ano pa ba, emails. Okay? Nandito po. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Again, this is Mon, your trusted real estate broker. Maraming salamat po.